Yeah, tigers. Those are the worst you could face on the battlefield. And if the command says they have a problem, they probably mean tigers. We cannot contact the first assault squad. The second's just departed, and here we are, sent to follow them. And if they send us, this can mean only one thing. Tigers. That's what they say at HQ. Send in those tiger experts. 9 tanks for 2. Not too shabby for a half a year. You lead 5 to 4. But I've got a chance to get ahead and finally get that damn medal. Come on. Brooks doesn't like waiting. Our hunt begins.
Let's move. Everybody, stay alert. Air Force is hitting the town, but there'll still be plenty of enemy vehicles.
Let the hunt begin! So, Lucky, looks like this'll be the very day when McLeod snags the title of Tiger Hunter from ye.
Don't get too excited, McLeod. This is... And here they come.
Small game. Nothing interesting.
Stay focused, McLeod.
Sir, yes, sir. Keep up, Lucky.
I'm hearing you begging for a target.
Oh, damn, did I say that out loud?
The bridge is blocked. We need to go around.
Be more optimistic, Sergeant. There'll be a pass now.
Optimism is good preparation for a mission. There's a ford nearby. You're a damn fortune teller. How'd you do that?
I've got good eyes. Saw the plane.
Then why didn't you warn us? That was the enemy.
What? I thought that was ours.
Enemy, 12 o'clock!
Our lads care what they're doing. What a spectacular fire show.
Let's finish them off and move on. We need to catch up with the second assault squad.
I think they'll be the ones playing catch-up. They took quite a detour. Through your ford. Those tigers have our names on them.
Just don't lose your head. A tiger is a tiger. They're incredibly dangerous.
And that's good. How many do I need to blast to finally earn my medal?
Harping on your medal again? Are you only here for the decorations?
I don't care about it one bit. I just want to send it to my mom. To make her happy, you know. She'll show it off to all her neighbors.
Good news. We caught up with the second group.
That's a hell of a beast. Look for its weak spots, Lucky.
Damn it. Fire like you mean it.
A green marker shows you are aiming at a weak spot of the vehicle.
Ha! This one burns nicely.
Platoon, your attention. All Allied groups have been destroyed. We're alone now. We need to complete the mission. Let's roll. Enemy, 12 o'clock!
Remember to move, Lucky, or they'll hit you in your weak spots. Or you can hide your hull behind tank wrecks. They won't get you at all that way. You've got a strong turret.
I don't think these were the last. Recon suggested we'd see more than tigers.
Those recon guys probably know nothing.